Hey guys, this is a little short video of a fishing trip I took yesterday on Sunday afternoon. It was a lazy day, so I figured I'd get out and try this little pond right in front of my house. Most of it's colored and covered in lily pads, but I am able to get some of this water. It's right across the road from my house. It takes me about 2 minutes to get from my building down to this little pond, and hope you guys got out some this weekend and caught some fish too.
What we got here? Oh, look at there. Little crappie. Little crappie on the top water bait. Caught him in the side of the face. Oh, good dude. Fishing out here right across the house, right across the dirt road from my house. Little crappie. Appreciate you, guy. There you go. We got him. Ooh-wee, what a bluegill. Look here. Pretty bluegill. I mean, a pretty one. He got that thing sunk down in there good, too. Come on out of there. Come on now. There we go. Boy, look what a bluegill. Look what a bluegill. Look what a bluegill. Got. Oh, that's a pretty good crappie for here now. That's a pretty good crappie right there. Let's see what you got, big guy. You alright? You alright? Don't do it. You alright? Let's get this thing out of your face here now. Every time you catch a fish, your pliers are always somewhere you can't find them. Y'all tell me that ain't true. Ow. Have to use these guys, I guess. Okay, we got you, buddy. We got you. We got you. Let's just see how big you are for kicks, huh? Let's see how big you are here now. Let's get down here like this right here so we can see. Okay. Alright, come on now. Let's just see how big you are for kicks here. Alright, we're looking at just shy of 10 inches, right at 10 inches. Pretty good for this little pond. Alright, pretty guy. Let's get you out here in the sun where we can see you. There we go. Good job, guy. See ya. There you go.